Have you heard about the burnt toast theory? If you haven't, then listen up because I'm about to change your life. Now, this theory is something I've been practicing since before. I only found out it was a theory today, but I've been practicing this for the longest time because it reduces my stress levels, it brings me a sense of peace, and it allows me to trust in the universe's plan for me. It allows me to trust that things are going my way, even when it feels like they aren't. Now, the burnt toast theory, the burnt toast theory goes like this. So you wake up in the morning and you make yourself a piece of toast and you burn it. And because you burn it, that sets you back about 5 to 10 minutes of your day, because now you've got to make another piece of toast, you've got to enjoy your breakfast, you've got to eat it, and you're pissed off, you're running late. Like, you know when you just stub your toe in the morning, it just pisses you off, like something just pisses you off to start your day. But because you were 5 to 10 minutes late, because of this piece of burnt toast, you actually missed a car crash on the way to work that day. You missed an incident where you could have fell down the stairs to the train station as you were about to get on the train or the tube. So that piece of burnt toast actually saved your life that day. Now, I discovered this theory, again, I didn't know it was a theory. I read something somewhere one day about all the 9/11 people that didn't turn up to work that day for miscellaneous reasons. So I hope I used that word right. Let me know if I didn't. So they had an argument with their boyfriend, so they didn't go into work that day. They broke their leg the day before, so they were off work. You know, they had an unexpected breakdown car breakdown before they got into work that day, and it meant that they weren't in the towers when that building collapsed. And that changed my perspective on every inconvenience I've had since. I sit in traffic, I'm grateful that I'm not the reason for the traffic. I'm running late, there must be a reason, God's protecting me from something, so I will work on God's time and he can see everything I can't, that's fine. You can even use it in romantic situations if you want to. For example, maybe this scenario, this shit thing in the 3D is happening because something better has come along, or it's all part of the finale, it's part of the final story, it's part of my happy ending. I will be Delulu until I die on that one, even when it hurts. Delulu. So the next time you're feeling inconvenienced, the next time you're feeling pissed off by what feels like the minor things in life, just remember that inconvenience could be protecting you. That inconvenience could be the key to your forever happiness. And that inconvenience might change your life in ways you have no idea about and may never find out about. But this theory, when used, will improve the overall quality of your life because you'll stop letting the little things piss you off as much. Just try it. Let me know how you get on.